Can you believe that I went from here? I wasn't able to take a picture with my kids because of bad knee. And as you can see in that photo, I fell. And because of that, I had to support myself with my hand to be able to take a picture with my child at the time graduating pre-K4. In this video, I'm going to share with you how you can fold yourself up in 3 days. And I'm going to do that in 5 minutes. So give me 5 minutes of your time to see how you can stretch yourself in 3 days. So welcome to my channel. My name is Mfon, and as a mom of 4, I was able to fold myself up with my kids. Can you imagine? And let me tell you, I used to be overweight, and one of the reasons I lost weight was to be able to play with my kids, to be able to have fun with my kids. And look at me today, being able to do that with my kids. Mission accomplished. And I'm so thankful that at my age, I'm in my 40s, I'm able to do that. Whereas in my 30s, when I took that picture that I fell, I wasn't able to do that. So that means that you can still work on your health regardless of your age, and you can achieve flexibility, and you can age backwards, and you can use your bones, because as we get older, our bones don't work like they used to, but movement and stretching can help it to work, and support our body the way we want it. So I'm going to share with you how you can do that in 3 days. This was me on my day 1. So you can see that on my day 1, I was able to go all the way here. You stay here on day 1. And before you do that, you have to stretch your bones, because normally I do 30 minutes of exercise before I'm able to stretch, because with that I'll be able to kick my legs, I'll be able to stretch my knees, I'll be able to just exercise all my bones in my body for it to get that heads up or flexibility. And after that, I will stretch myself. Let me tell you, before I didn't used to be able to sit on my knee like this. So now I can sit on my knee comfortably. So that was day 1. So let's look at day 2 exercise. So after day 1, day 2, you extend it further and put your hand like this. So you extend it further, and after that, day 3, you go all the way down. So this was me on day 3, which is today. So I'm going to show you live how to do it, and here we go. So day 1 here, day 2 here, day 3 there. So it's okay to fall over because you are no longer a kid. I'm in my 40s, like I said. So there you have it. I hope you try this, and let me know your thoughts in the comments below. The question is, do you believe? Jesus said to him, if you can believe, all things are possible to him who believes. So believe in yourself. And if you're looking for what to do to help you with flexibility, because I can attribute this to my losing weight and also change of diet, I invite you to watch this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye bye.